I meet so many people in my life and they are Muslims. For example, like in Malaysia, there is many Grab drivers. They're all Muslims. And I ask them, how you get this car? They say, we get from the loan from the bank. Every Grab driver I talk to them, they say they got it in Malaysia. And they are saying they're Muslims. And they always say, we get it from the bank loan. I say, haram. And always I listen the one word only, we have no choice. And so many times in my life, so many Muslims, when they go for the haram, getting the loan from the bank in the interest, which is a very big sin, it's one of the greatest sin, and they always say, we have no choice. And they forget that Allah is very powerful. When you believe in Allah and you trust in Allah, you will never go for that option which makes you to making war with Allah and His Messenger. That's what Allah said in the Quran. And then the people, so many people I meet in my life and they always say we have no choice. It means they are not believing in the power of Allah. If you believe in the power of Allah, then you can raise your hands. Allah, I don't like to deal something which you forbid to me. And I pray to you to solve my problem. Then Allah can open His treasure to you. But it is not right away Allah will solve your problem. Allah will test you. Allah will test you that how strong your iman is. He will let you to feel something, He let you to suffer something, and after that He open His treasure to you. And that is a very big challenge. If you ponder these words, it's a beautiful words. Allah said, and whoever fear Allah, then Allah open ways for him, and He give him the sustenance where he cannot think. He cannot even imagine that Allah will give me the risk from that place. And as I observe it in my life, when you fear Allah, that I fear Allah, I don't like to commit unlawful or haram or a sinful thing to earn money. I want to go for the halal. Then Allah will give you some hardship. Allah will test you. Then Allah will open the way for you and you will have a unlimited blessing from Allah. But first Allah will test you that you are going to easy to give up or you are going to suffer hardship. When you are going for halal, halal will come to you initially very difficultly. You will have lots of hardship to get halal. Then after that Allah will make very easy for you. Haram you can make it haram because stealing or cheating people or do haram things, very easy you can start it to earn money, but no barakah, no blessing and curse of Allah upon this. And Allah will destroy you with this income. This income will never give you any benefit, rather destruction. And you are feeding that haram money to your family also. And then you will also make a problem for your family also. But when you go for the halal, it is full of blessing. Halal means the things you earn something with happiness of Allah. You earn something following the law of Allah, not going against the law of Allah. Your business should be no lying, no cheating, no injustice, no involvement of riba, and no involvement of corruption. You cannot get orders by giving corruption to the people and you can get orders. There will be no blessing for this. So your income must be clean. No lying, no cheating, word of honor, no corruption, no injustice. Always be fair, always truthful, always be honest to the people. Guarantee you are going to have a successful business. Rather, if it is not very big business, but that business, even if it is small business, there will be barakah, there will be blessings. But if you earn lots of money with the haram way, with the unlawful way, there will be no blessing. This money will make you sick. This money will make you depressed. This money will make you lots of problem in your life. There are people who give up with this haram money. They try to struggle until they want to finish their life because their life is full of destruction. Allah is powerful. So never to say, I have no choice. Rather to say, I'll pray to my Lord and He will make way for me. This is very powerful. Allah is a big treasure. He make this big universe. He is powerfully. He can give it to us everything, but He want to test us. And you fail in the test by saying, I have no choice. I have to go for the haram. I have to go for the thing which Allah forbidden. No. Stand up. I will be following the commandments of Allah. I will never go against the commandment of Allah. Then Allah will make a way for you. You will never have any hardship in your life after this. But initially, you need to work hard to follow the commandments of Allah and not to go against the commands of Allah. Then Allah will make you successful. May Allah guide us.